Hello there, welcome back to Will Update Today. Right now we have an enhanced risk severe weather across portions of Oklahoma and also portions of also Arkansas, Missouri, and Kansas. Right now we're looking at pretty big. We're looking at cluster of some supercells, and right now 60 miles per hour winds and half dollar-sized tails possible with that. This severe thunderstorm warning just north of Tulsa, 60 miles per hour winds and quarter-sized hail. This one's about to expire, 70 miles per hour winds and nickel-sized hail. With this severe thunderstorm warning expiring 18 minutes, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Moving on, portions of Virginia, we have this cell, 60 miles per hour winds and quarter-sized hail. This one down in North Carolina, 60 miles per hour with a quarter-sized hail. Moving on to New Mexico, we have a severe thunderstorm warning active. Looks like a pretty strong cell right there. For 60 miles per hour wind and quarter-sized hail. And we have two severe thunderstorm warnings in southern Arizona. We have a slight risk action in portions of Arizona today. 60 miles per hour winds and half dollar-sized hail. That's about to expire. And then this one, we have also 60 miles per hour winds and penny-sized hail. The main focus is going to be across, today's video is going to be across portions. We have a new severe thunderstorm watch, actually. That was in effect 32 minutes ago. Right now, it's going to be more for damaging winds and large hail, possibly significant hail also. That's going to be really the trend. Probabilistics, though, it's going to be more favoring wind and hail, especially hail once you get into portions of north and northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Missouri, and southwestern Missouri, southeastern Kansas, and northwestern Arkansas. We're going to be seeing a couple of supercells, and those will be carrying a hail threat and also a wind threat for the linear modes. And also a 5% tornado. We could be seeing some supercells also develop a couple tornadoes. As we'll continue to track this, we also have a moderate risk of excessive rainfall across portions of Illinois, Missouri, Kentucky, and also Indiana. And right now we have a stationary boundary. And we'll continue to track all this, like I said. We'll be seeing this cold front's going to continue to push through. Some damaging winds, large hail is possible, maybe even a tornado, like I said. Current environmental conditions, though, we're gonna get imagery from 22Z meso analysis. It's gonna be 23Z actually very soon. We have 4,500 joules per kilogram at surface-based instability maximized across portions of northern Arkansas, southern Kansas. We have 4,000 joules per kilogram on mixed layer instability across portions basically around this cell. So looking at also shear maximized around 50 knots around this cell near Joplin, and more off towards Wichita also. 0 to 6 kilometers, around 40 knots coming out of the south and east. Storm relative velocity, not too much, around the 0 to 3 kilometer range, around 100 to 150 meters cubed per second cubed. 0 to 1 kilometer, around 100 meters cubed per second cubed north of around Springdale. We'll continue to see all that happens really as we have low-level shear is not that good right now anyways, but current surface analysis is showing dew points in 70s, and even thanks to the glitch, but one station is recording a dew point of 84 degrees. That's very strange, but what we're seeing right now is low to mid 70s, maybe even a couple upper 70s, and that mid 80. But we'll see what really goes down. Right now we have favorable moisture. We're gonna be seeing gonna looking at precipitable water values, actually, it's around 2 inches. We're going to be seeing some heavy rainfall too, a good drenching. That's why we're going to be seeing some flash flood warnings maybe, especially when you get north of Tulsa right now. But low level lapse rates. Okay, I'm back. So right now we're looking at 8 low level lapse rates around 6.6 to around 8 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Going to mid levels, we're looking at around 6.5 to around 7.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Really, apart from that, that's really it. And we'll see what happens. We'll continue to track this, and really, apart from that, that's really it. And goodbye.